Good morning. Thank you for calling. I am Walter the robot. How may I help you?
This is Pressley Wilson. I had called yesterday as well. There's some faulty in my laptop. It's not powering up.
Yes, your complaint is already registered for today.
I am dire need of this laptop today.
Yes, our technician will be at your service today.
Please send him at the earliest.
Yes, sir. Thank you for calling.
Okay, thank you. Hi Andy.
Hello, Papa. Any update on your laptop? Did you call the customer care?
I have filed a complaint.
Oh, wonderful. You will get it before 5 o'clock for sure, right?
They said they are sending a technician.
Perfect. Papa, I will have to go now.
Alright.
Got to go now. There's a few things need to be done. Bye, Papa.
Yes, all the best.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm Mr. Pressley. I come here to check your laptop. Come in.
Have a seat. You can check my laptop.
Okay. Sir, do you try charging it?
Do I look illiterate to you? Are you able to figure it out?
Yes, sir. Give me 2 minutes. I want to check in it. Can I have a glass of water?
What's happened?
Sir, I have done the diagnosis. This had to be taken to the service center.
Everything seems like a joke to you, isn't it?
No, sir. Actually, the motherboard is fried. So I will have to take it to the service center to get the part replaced.
This has to be taken away?
Yes sir, just for a couple of days.
You are not taking this anywhere. Put it back as it was and you get out of here. That is.
Sir thought this receipt is just this. But be assured, I will get your laptop fixed and deliver it to you safely.
I give you 1 day.
Our service will do it as soon as possible.
I want my laptop tomorrow. You can go now.
Okay sir, I will go now.